Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abhishek Soni from the Department of Pharmaceutics. Today we are going to discuss tablet and its compression and processing problems, which is indicated as a defect of tablets. An ideal tablet should be free from any visual defect or a functional effect during the processing of tablet. An industrial pharmacist faces variation problem. Few defects may occur during the compression of the granules. First defect is capping. Capping is a term used to describe the dispatchment of cross-section fragments or tablet faces, which usually occur just after ejection of the tablet from the die. The damage of tablet by capping will irreversibly lead to production batch rejection. Or we can say that capping, the term tablet capping is used when either the upper or the lower part of the tablet separated horizontally, either partially away from the main body of the or a complete to form a cap when ejected from press or during the handling of the process. This is the separation of layer from a tablet. This is capping. Following are the some common factors which can cause tablet capping. First is formulation related, second one is excipient related, third one is machine related. There we have 5 major causes of a capping problem and remedies from them are given. First is fine, second one is dryness, third one is upper punch penetration, fourth one is pre-compression, and fifth one is tooling. Now fines. This is a problem faced in the formulation of granules. Fine are a small dust particle which are found in a tablet. These particles do not compress or flow very well, and as a result the tablet faces many problems. The main cause of fines are a number of a fine in a granules are more than the normal amount. If the amount of a fine increases in granules, it can further result in a weight variation and segregation during compression of the tablet. This will lead to improper flow or even blockage of the flow of the air. Now the remedies need to remove all or some of fines are using 100 to 200 mesh screen. Just you can remove all these fines by passing the granules through 100 to 200 mesh screen. Second one is dryness. This is also a most common problem which is faced in formulation of a tablet. The causes for dryness: when the moisture content of a tablet is kept very low, it leads to dryness of the tablet. The dryness results in weak bonding of the granules, which will cause the tablet to fall apart or create fractures in the cap. Now the remedies for: adjust the moisture content so that the tablet are not too dry or not too wet. There is no specific percentage of moisture content needed to make a tablet. It depends upon the quantity of the water which will be needed to bond of granules together, so the moisture content need to be perfect. Third one is upper punch penetration. This is capping problem that related to the machine. Cause for the upper punch penetration: it happened when the penetration control for the tablet are not set according to the ideal condition. The ideal range of the control is from 1.5 mm to 2 mm. The main cause of this problem is to entrapment air. When the air is punched too deep in the die, it will not have sufficient room to escape from the tablet, which will later form fracture in the tablet. Now the remedies: change the punching level of the machine, set a punch penetration to 3 mm or less. As we discussed earlier, the upper punch or the range for the upper punch penetration is 1.5 to 2 mm. So here for the remedies we just adjust the penetration to 2 mm or less. Fourth one is pre-compression. This problem is also found in the machine control and by a machine operator working on the tablet press. Now the cause: pre-compression is used to remove the entrapment air in the tablet. Now for the remedies: the pre-compression value of the control is a machine should be changed accordingly. Fifth one is tooling. Tooling is brought about using a wrong control in the machine. It is various kind like that: flat face, extra deep, shallowed, modified wall, and etc. The cause of tooling: when the upper punch cap of the tablet crucial invert, it is called J hooking. This is an important part. What is the J hooking? This phenomena can pull a tablet apart. It happens when the upper punch of the cap is not polished properly. Now the remedies for this: polish the tablet surface properly or use tapped dies. Second effect is lamination. If you see this diagram, this is a defect of separation of layer in tablets. Now the lamination is a major problem of all the defect in the tablet manufacturing. It has been defined as the separation of all tablet into or a more distinct horizontal layer anywhere other than the top part. Lamination are being shown to occur immediately after compression or the upon storage period. There is a separation of layer. This just in the capping condition there is just only a separation of one layer from the tablet, but in the condition of the lamination there is separation of layer in tablet in different locations. This challenge can be overcome by doing a pre-compression as well, reducing of a compression or a minimize the tableting rate. Now the lamination can also caused by the presence of a large amount of fine in the granulations. Moving all the fine through the 100 mesh screen will reduce the chance to lamination occurring by the high percentage. This the remedies for lamination is also caused by the available of the either too moisture or the too little lead of too dryness, that making a hard for the tablet to undergo the proper binding action. This problem can also be solved by understanding the optimum moisture content and the moisture of the granule suitability. Now lamination is caused by either there being an insufficient amount of the binder or of the binder being properly processed for the process. Now the remedies: add a dry binder such as a pre-gelatination starch and gum acacia as well as powder sorbitol if the binder was found to be improper. Now the lamination can also be caused by a rapid relaxation of the peripheral region of the tablet or the injection from a dye. Now the remedies for this is to use the trap dye or for the instance or the upper part of the die boards that has upward taper of 30 to 50. Now cracking: a small or a fine crack observed on the upper and the lower center surface of a tablet or a very rarely on the side wall as referred as a crack. If you saw from the diagram, this is the crack of on the tablet during the manufacturing. If you saw the on the side wall of this tablet, these are the cracks. Reason for the same cracking: it observed as a result of a rapid expansion of a tablet, especially while deep concave punch are used. Now the cracking related to the formulation of granules. Causes are large size of granulation, too dry granules, tablet expand, granulation too cold. Now the remedies for the same: reduce granule size and the fine, moisten the granules properly and add proper amount of binder, improper or improve granulation, dry binders, compress at room temperature. Cracking related to the machine, die, punch and the tablet press. Cause: the tablet expand on injection due to air entrapment, deep concavity cause cracking while removing tablet. Now the remedies: use trap die, use special takeoff. Now chipping: it is due to a very dry granules, or we can say that the chipping is defined as a breaking of a tablet edge while the tablet leave the press or the during subsequent handling and the coating operation. Now reason for the chipping: incorrect machine setting, especially miss set ejection takeoff. If you see from the diagram, this is the chipping. There is the breakage of edge or the sticking of the edges in die. This is chipping. Now the chipping related to the formulation of the granules causes are sticking on the punch face, too dry granules, too much binding, cause chipping at bottom. Now the remedies for same: dry the granules properly or the increased lubrication, moisten the granules to plasticize and hygroscopic substance. This is the chipping. Polish to the Now the remedies for this: dry properly the granules, determine optimum limit, increase lubrication, use colloidal silica as a polishing agent so that the material does not cling to punch face. Add high melting point material, use high melting point lubricants, refrigerate granules and the entire tablet press, compress at room temperature, cool sufficiently before compression, reduce the amount of binder, change the type or use dry binders. Picking related to the machine, die, punch and the tablet press. Causes are rough and scratched punch faces. Pressure applied is not enough. Too soft tablet. Remedies: polish face is too high luster. Plate and the punch faces with chromium to produce a smooth or a non-adjacent face. Reduce depth and sharpness. Increase pressure to optimum. Now binding. Binding in a die is a term used when the tablet adhere in the die, a film is formed in the die or ejection of a tablet is hindered. With excessive binding, the tablet sides are cracked and or it may crumbles apart. Or we can say that binding is a defect when the tablet to the die or does not eject properly out of the die. The binding related to the formulation as a granule problem, the causes are insufficient or a improper lubricant, too coarse granules, too hard granules for the lubricant to be effect, granules material very abrasive and cutting into die, granules material too warm. Now the remedies for related to the formulation in granules are: dry the granules properly, increase the amount of lubricant and use a more effective lubricant, reduce granule size, modify granulation, add more fine and increase the quantity of lubricants. If coarse granules or reduce its size, reduce temperature. Binding related to the machine, die, punch and tablet press. The causes are poor finish die, rough die due to abrasion or corrosion, undersized die, too little cleanness, too much pressure in the tablet press. Now the remedies: polish the die properly, investigate other steel or other material or modify granulation, rework to proper size, increase cleanness, reduce pressure or modify granules. Now mottling. Mottling is a term used to describe an unequal distribution of a color on a tablet with light or a dark spot standing out in an otherwise uniform surface. This is the mottling. This is unequal distribution of color during the manufacturing process of tablet. Now the reason: one cause of a mottling may be colored drug. Those color difference from the color of the excipient used for granulation of tablet. Now the causes: a color drug used along with the colorless or a white colored excipient, dye migrate to the surface of granulation while drying, improper mixing dye, especially during direct compression, improper mixing of colored binder solutions. Now the remedies: use appropriate colorant, change the solvent system, change the binder, reduce the dry temperature, use of small particle size, mix properly and reduce it if the large size to prevent segregation, incorporate dye color additive during powder blending step. When add fine powder adhesive such as acacia tragacanth and well mix all finely and granulation liquids. Now the tablet weight or source of variation, or we can also call this weight variation tablet. The tablet weight are the mainly affected by the following reason. First is in the product variation. This type of the variation can be due to inconsistent powder density, particle size distribution. Density can be changed on the press, often because of the overfilling of the die, recirculation of the powder on the tablet press, whereas the particle size distribution may change when the product become unblended during transfer or because of the static electricity. This may also change because of the product cannot withstand the handling and the mechanical stress to undergo before reaching the tablet press. Second one is machine conditions. The problem caused by the tablet press that is properly prepared or operated are reasons. The up and the down motion under the load on a new die tablet should be within the 0.003 inch of the setting. Care must be taken to ensure that the pressure roll and the cams are in very good condition. Now this is the weight variation. If you saw from the diagram, there is a difference in the weight of the one batch of the tablet formulation. This is called as a weight variation. There is one 250 and this is 243.75 mg. Now the tooling condition. The punch working length should be taken in consideration. Working length is an important factor in how punch affect tablet weight. New tools are made to tolerance of 1,000 of an inch. The length of each punch is corrected and identical. Now the powder flow and the feed rate. This is mainly important. Various defects are related to the powder flow and feed rate steam. Therefore, the powder flow and the feed rate should be taken in account while manufacturing of the tablet. And the last, double impression. It is due to the free rotation of the punch which have some engraving on the punch face. Double impression involve only those punches which have a monogram or the other engraving on them. The reason for double impression: at the moment of compression, the tablet receives the imprint of punch. Now, once some machine, the lower punch freely drop and the travels uncontrolled for a short distance before riding up the ejection cam to push the tablet out of the die. Now, during this free travel, the punch rotate, and at this point, the punch may make a very impression on the bottom of the tablet, resulting in a double impression. Causes free rotation of the either upper punch or the lower punch during ejection of the tablet. Now the remedies: use keeping in tooling, that is insert a key alongside of the punch so that it fit the punch and prevent punch rotation. After that, we discuss the problem and the remedies for the tablet coating in next lecture. Thank you.